What's going on, everyone? Today we're looking at the most powerful and advanced smart home cleaner I've ever tested. The Dreame X50 Ultra comes with a mind-blowing 20,000 PA Vormax Suction, AI-powered navigation, LiDAR sensor that hides to shorten its height, and an industry-first self-propelling feature for those special furnitures. All fully integrated into your smart home. But does it actually deliver on its promises? Let's find out. So in the box we get the Dreame X50 Ultra robot vacuum, auto cleaning and drying dock, and HyperStream DuoBrush. You also get an extra dust bag. You get a premium brush for maintenance. You also get a multi-surface cleaning solution. This is where you can replace the dust bag and also refill the solution, as you can see here. Installing the mop pads is super easy as well because it's just attached using magnets. This is also the first time I've seen a dual brush action right here. It has a rubber part and the other one is a combination of a rubber and brush part so that it'll go into crevices on your tiles. It is also anti-tangle because it spins in reverse, so that's really awesome. And as you could see, this matte black finish up top with a magnetic lid and also a bigger dust box at 395 milliliters. Water tank and auto refill system, and a smart app guide. So right out of the box, it feels premium. The matte black finish and sleek design make it look something out of the future. Now let's go right ahead to the AI-powered obstacle avoidance and the Pro Leap system. It uses advanced AI-enhanced mapping to recognize and also avoid obstacles. No more vacuums, getting stuck on socks or wires. It maps in real time for smooth, precise movement. It even shows in the app what kind of item it detects. And that's not all. The Pro Leap system is great for those furnitures with horizontal legs and for higher mats in your home. Let's test it out. Now, unlike most robot vacuums, the X50 Ultra can clean under furnitures effortlessly, thanks to its adaptive height sensing system. I just love how the LiDAR sensors hides when it detects a spot that is lower, so it's able to go and clean under the couch without any problems. And during the night, it uses a flashlight as well so that it can still see under dark circumstances. Now it also has an insane 20,000 PA Vormax Suction, which is in my opinion one of the highest PA suction for a robot vacuum. The 20,000 PA Vormax Suction is 4 times stronger than standard robot vacuums. It removes deeply embedded dirt, pet hairs, and dust effortlessly. Also, there's an option to leave the mops behind if you choose the option to vacuum first, then mop. Of course, it's also great for hard floor dust and debris pickups. Even high debris is no match for this vacuum. It doesn't scatter dust. It cleans it all up in one go. Now, I just love how it can reach right up to my baseboards with its side brush extending further to reach closer to the baseboard. Now, that's not all. During the mopping sessions, the mop pad also extends more so that it could reach up to the baseboard as well. And when it detects carpets, the mop pads also comes up to avoid cross-contamination. Now it also has a HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush, which again, the first time I've seen this on a robot vacuum. And with the dual brush system, no more hair wraps. Now, one of the biggest issues with robot vacuums is hair tangles. The HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush solves that. It can handle hair up to 30 cm long, which is about a foot of hair without getting jammed. Now, the Dreame X50 Ultra is also self-cleaning. It has the advanced AceClean DryBoard System. It has a 20 high temperature spray nozzles which removes stains from the mop pad. This means no mold, no odors, no manual scrubbing, just fresh, clean floors every single day. It also has a hands-free water refill and dirty water disposal. Now, having that base is great because it auto-fills the clean water tank and drains dirty water as well. A truly hands-free experience. Now, imagine never having to mop your floors again. That's what the X50 Ultra delivers. Now, the Dreame X50 Ultra uses AI to do full mapping of your home. You can set up custom schedules as well. no-go zones, and room-specific cleaning, all from your phone. So should you buy the Dreame X50 Ultra? With its 20,000 PA Vormax Suction, which is the most powerful in the industry right now, AI-powered navigation, and VersaLift, which is very unique on this robot, and ultra-precise cleaning. Also comes with HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush, which makes you say goodbye to hair wraps. It also has the AceClean DryBoard, which is hands-free auto cleaning and drying, and the full smart home integration that works with all your devices. Now, in my opinion, it's definitely worth the investment. So right now, Dreame X50 Ultra is available for pre-sale, but only for a limited time. Click the link in the description to grab yours before the pre-sale redemption period ends. So what do you think? Would you trust the X50 Ultra to handle your home? Drop the comment below. I'll see you guys over there. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button as well. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.